Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Toyota Corolla hubcaps. First, let's ensure a safe working environment. Always park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and engage the parking brake firmly. You will need a few simple tools, a flathead screwdriver, and perhaps a soft cloth to protect your wheel. Taking these initial steps will make the entire process much smoother and safer for everyone involved. Now, let's get started with the removal. Look for the valve stem on your tire. The hubcap usually has a cutout around it. This helps orient you. Take your flathead screwdriver and gently insert it into the gap between the hubcap and the wheel. Aim for a spot about 3 to 4 inches away from the valve stem. This initial leverage point is crucial for beginning the process without causing damage. With your tool in place, begin to gently pry the hubcap outwards. You will feel the clips releasing as you apply steady pressure. Move around the circumference of the hubcap, releasing a few clips at a time. It's important to use a consistent, gentle motion rather than sudden, forceful jerks. This technique minimizes the risk of bending or breaking the plastic clips, ensuring the hubcap remains in good condition. As you release more clips, the hubcap will become noticeably looser. You should then be able to pull it straight off the wheel with minimal effort. Take a moment to inspect both the hubcap and the wheel for any accumulated dirt or debris. If you plan to reinstall the hubcaps, ensure they are clean and stored in a safe place to prevent scratches. This simple process takes only a few minutes per wheel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.